Hey, welcome back. Today we have another book that we are going to journal about, and then we'll read the book. And then next week, I'll have a craft that you can do with your friends in your book club to celebrate the book. I do love doing covers of books in my little journal here. So, this week's book is Remarkably Bright Creatures by Shelby Van Pelt, and I'll read the inside cover. It says a charming, witty, and compulsively readable exploration of friendship, reckoning, and hope that traces a widow's unlikely connection with a giant Pacific octopus. And then it's got a new little read thing here. After Tova Sullivan's husband died, she began working the night shift at the Sowell Bay Aquarium, mopping floors and tidying up. Keeping busy has always helped her cope, which she's been doing since her 18-year-old son, Eric, mysteriously vanished on a boat in Puget Sound over 30 years ago. Tova became acquainted with curmudgeonly Marcellus, a giant Pacific octopus living at the aquarium. Marcellus knows more than anyone can imagine, but wouldn't dream of lifting one of his 8 arms for his human captors until he forms a remarkable friendship with Tova. Ever the detective, Marcellus deduces what happened the night Tova's son disappeared, and now Marcellus must use every trick his old invertebrate body can muster to unearth the truth for her before it's too late. Shelby Van Pelt's debut novel is a gentle reminder that sometimes taking a hard look at the past can help uncover a future that once felt impossible. So, a book about an octopus. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. It is a little bit thick, but looks like a really good read, and I love new things. So I'm really excited to read this. Considering it's called Remarkably Bright Creatures, I thought it'd be fun to use highlighters that are remarkably bright. So that was my medium today in the journal, and then I've got my acrylic markers I'm going to use just to do the title on it. And I must say my handwriting in reference to the book itself is not very comparable, but at least I got it up there. So I hope you get a chance to read the book and then tune in next week. Thank you so much.